Hello amazing people, welcome back to another tutorial. How you all doing today? And I trust you're doing great. So today I want to show you how to make this beautiful two-in-one slip robe. Okay, so this is a slip robe together with the hair bonnet, and you won't believe it if I say I just made it with 2 yards of this beautiful print. So this is silk print. Okay, you can also work with a satin print. So this is exactly what 2 yards of this. Okay, yes, and what I'm doing now is I'm making my fold along the by 60 in length, because this print comes with by 60 in length. Okay, so you fold it, the first fold will be on that same by 60 in length, then you fold it again, so you have it folded what into 4. You can see what I'm doing. Yes, so the length is along the yardage. I hope you understand. Yeah, and by the way, I actually have a similar tutorial like this. I even cut out with a pattern in case you want to cut out for a multiple slip rope like this. So I already have it up on this channel in case you want to also get the detailed cutting process, so you can also go ahead and watch it. So once I made my fold, I just went ahead to cut it. It's a very simple cutting process, trust me. Just work with the biggest measurements of your body. In this case was the hip. Just add about 3 to 4 inches to it and you're good to go, right? And of course we have a similar cutting process of this on the channel as well. So because I'm cutting two, when I was done with one, I placed it on the other one. I remember it will have a collar, right? So the back neckline has to be high, then the front is going to be what slitted open. So because of the way I folded it, so I was able to manage my fabric. That's the idea, able to manage it. And from this same piece I was able to cut out for the hair bonnet as well, right? You won't believe it. Yes, so from this same process. So for a hip 44, hip 45 downward, trust me, these 2 yards can work for you. But if you're on the bigger side, then you might be needing more than 2 yards. Okay, yes, so you can see just going ahead to cut this out, cut the sides, cut the sleeve opening. And the sleeve opening, because of the fact I had to manage it, I also had to add an extension to be able to extend the sleeve as well. Okay, yes. Then for the cap, okay, so I just folded my fabric into 4. Okay, so this is the lining I use for the bonnet cap here. So I just work with 11.5. 11.5 is a moderate number to work with when you are making a hair bonnet for an average woman size. Okay, 11.5 is okay. So you can see that's what I have here. So I cut out 2 of this lining because it's for the 2 different prints that I'm working with. Just place it right side to right side, pin it down, then sew it round, and after that you turn it to the other side. So this is exactly what I'm doing. So once I was done, then of course I moved over to my sewing machine. So it doesn't have a particular process, just keep sewing all the single piece. So I started with the belt, because going to have a belt, and I also sewed the loop. Just the loop was about 7 inches in length, 2 inches in width, just a very tiny piece I used for the loop. Okay, then of course after that I sewed the collar as well. So mind you, this is a short length slip robe. Okay, so it's not a full length. So if you are looking for a full length, then you will definitely not be using 2 yards. Okay, it has to be more than that, right? So here I was done with the belt. I was just turning it all over to the right side. So like I said, it's a very detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to make the slip robe. In case you still want to get the full detail, it's already there, and I did this with the pattern. So in case you want to cut out multiple piece of this, you can actually do that. So once I was done, of course I moved over to start sewing the sides. So one thing you need to know is every single sew you made, you have to clean up the edges by weaving it. Okay, so when I joined the shoulder, I weaved it. Of course I didn't show that part where I weaved it. So after joining the shoulder, you weave it. Then adding the extension of the sleeve, you also weave it. Before you keep sewing the side as well. When I was done sewing the side as well, I also weaved it. Then of course, the most very important part, to give this what a very good press. So at this point, I was already done. You can see how beautiful this piece look. You can see. So this was a client order, and of course, when I was done, I moved over to do the packaging. So yeah, in case you're not aware, aside making female wears and all that, these are other stuff that I do on the side as well. I usually make this in wholesales and retails, and I sell. So yeah, you can place your order in case you want to buy from us, partner so fashion. Yes, so slip robe, hair bonnet of different styles, different designs, hair band, hair ruffles, apron, tote bags, yeah, so there's a lot of it. And of course, customization as well. In case you want to customize your tote bag, I also do that as well. Whether you want your tote bag, you want it as a plain, or you also want to customize it, all this or also make. Okay, yes, so these are just few of the sample products. So yeah, we're just a call away. Just call us and we'll be here to accept your order. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, share with your sewing communities. I'll appreciate this a lot. So I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye.